it.
Hopefully you guys can see me because I'm gonna be real mad if not. Anyway, I want to show you guys what I've done with this basic composition book. Basically I was using it as just like notes for like videos and stuff like that. My like shut up and listen episodes, just like writing down like kind of like a script essentially of like what I was gonna say and like what I was gonna like basically talk about. But I want to like type those out instead and like kind of just try to like memorize them as best as I could. So I decided to turn this into a planner. So this is like the inside. January, I'm gonna like skim through it as like best as I could. March is like one of my favorite months though. Like I just love how it came out. Basically I just printed out a bunch of like stuff off of my Pinterest board and glued it on. You could also like turn them into stickers. That would probably be like easier if you have like that little like sticker thing, but I don't have that. So this is like my little vision board. I put like money because I need to make money, like get a job. Put a pie because I've been baking a lot lately. Insert pictures here. I put like a ballet ticket because I want to go to the ballet this year. Cross my fingers. And then I put like the YSL Candy Glaze lipstick in there because I want to just like get more like brand partnerships and stuff like that. And then this is like one of my favorite things. This is like my little slut of the month page basically. I'm just gonna put like a guy like slash celebrity who like I think is like cute that month. So this month it's Harris Dickinson from Baby Girl and the Iron Claw and a bunch of other shit. If you haven't seen him, I'll obviously put pictures. And then this is like my what have you done page, just like writing stuff that I've done this year. I already have 2 things on it. One is wrote slash published a poetry book. If you guys haven't checked my book out yet, I would really appreciate that. It's called Lucky You Yellow. I'll leave it here. And then I baked a pie, baked a little strawberry pie that came out really good. So yeah, I just thought this was really cool and it's really easy. The notebook itself is from Dollar Tree and everything is just printed and did everything myself, so I feel like you guys could definitely do that yourselves. I'm like so lazy. I just don't feel like getting my tripod. Like I can't wait to get a camera so I can just like set it up places. But I want to talk about what I've been doing with my journal. I know I was kind of talking about this in my last video, but since then I have been doing something different. I've been using like prompts and stuff like that to journal instead of just like using it as more of like a Dear Diary kind of thing.
Dear Diary, today I caught my man chopping beer tings at Dundas Square. Is he dumb?
But yeah, it's just been like really helpful, just like writing down like my thoughts. It's really good to write. If you like to write, if you felt like writing was like always like a strong suit for you in like high school and stuff like that, I would definitely try journaling or even like writing stories. It's like really like a stress reliever, especially if you're not doing anything else, like if you have time. But yeah, one of the prompts that I used, this was like a really fun one for me. This was the one from the day before yesterday, and it was pick a color to describe your life right now. I just feel like that was like a really cool question to answer and to try to like, you know, challenge myself too, because like I didn't have like an answer like when I first read it, but then when I was like trying to write it out, then that's when I like thought of like, oh, for me it would be yellow. And then the other day it was what could you just sit and admire, and then another one was like what are your biggest dreams and desires. And you can literally like, you can go like big or small with this. It doesn't have to be like the most like complex and advanced sort of questions in the world. It can be like as simple as like what did you eat today? Literally, like it doesn't matter. I feel like it's just cool to have like a sort of like flow, I guess, to like instead of just like writing. But yeah, this is like, ooh, my stomach. This is, I want to show you guys like my handwriting, because I have to write small because I feel like when I write really like big, it looks like messy, and I don't like when my writing looks messy. Like I'm always like I'm very much a clean penmanship kind of girl. I hate when like my writing looks messy. I just don't like it. So I feel like the smaller that I write, the less messy it looks. That's just my hot take. I can't wait to start like really like thrifting again and like buying clothes again, because I feel like when you like have like a sort of like refreshed idea of like, not like necessarily like what your style is, because as I've said before 1,000 times actually on my channel, is that like I'm not really like a specific like aesthetic. Like I kind of, whatever I like so I kind of like tend to like blend different styles into my wardrobe, which can be a little bit chaotic and disorganized at times, because then my closet just looks insane. But I don't mind. I just feel like I have to kind of like, you know, get a little bit more of like the basic stuff, and then a lot more like statement pieces and like vintage finds. I've been again loving like these sort of things, and like military-esque jackets, and like I really want to get like unserious stuff and like wear it on like a daily basis. Like imagine like pulling up to the office and like fucking like circus heels like this or something. Like that would be fun. It also just makes dressing fun, and like, you know, like it makes the everyday like boring sort of outfits like more fun and fabulous. And why not be fabulous? Like why not be a part of the FBI, Fabulous Bitch Incorporated? Like that's what I'm calling it. Another thing I've been loving weirdly is So Random, which is like a show on Disney Channel. If you haven't seen it before, I don't know, that's crazy, but it was on Disney Channel when I was like growing up watching Disney Channel, and I've been getting into it like hard body. I'm on like episode like 7 or 8 of season 1 already. They're like really quick episodes too, so like but it's on Disney Plus if you guys want to get into it. I've just been loving fun stuff, and SNL, obviously. Timothy Chalamet is literally like a god.
You've been getting ready to go to the Cheesecake Factory with your lady, and she goes, I don't want to eat too much, I don't want to get big. Girl, too late. Big Betty said what?
So how cool is this ring? That was my mom's, but I took from her. It's like a little rusty. I just have to clean it with something, but it's literally like a locket. I don't know if I can like, oh my god, hold on. Not me trying to open it in the most like dumbest way possible, but this is like, it literally opens up like a locket. So I'm probably just gonna put a picture of like, I don't know, my dog or something, or like, I don't know, someone. But I just thought that was cute. And then I made this little ring out of like, you know, like those little ties that are like on bread. It was just like a really hard plastic one, so I was like, let me like make like a little cute little ring out of it. Like, so cute.
We could sell the idea to Mr. Judd.
Mr. Judd, the principal?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that...
Big. Will you go down to see him with me, Mary? Maybe say tonight?
Sure, I'll go.
It's a date.